Dear students of class 4, I am Mrs. Neha Makkar and in this video we are going to continue the lesson Eidgah. So firstly we will continue reading the lesson and I will explain it to you. When the prayers are over, the crowd descends on the fair. There's a merry-go-round for 1 paise a go. Mahmood Mohsin and other boy climb on. So children, the Eidgah prayers on the occasion of Eid were over, and the crowd, that has the villagers that went along with Hamid, the crowd was descending. Descending means moving downwards or towards the slope. So they were moving downwards towards the fair, that is the exhibition. So there were many rides in the fair. One of them was merry-go-round. As you can see in the picture in the book, the merry-go-round is a circular ride in which there are many animals and you move in a circular motion in a circle, and so it was costing 1 paise for 1 full round. And the friends of Hamid, Mahmood Mohsin and another boy, they climbed on the ride. But Hamid holds his 3 paise and watches them. He couldn't part with a third of his treasure for this. So what was his treasure? The money which Grandma Amina gave to him was the treasure. So Hamid holded tightly the 3 paise given by Grandma Amina, and he was not spending the treasure, the money that Grandma has given on the ride. After that, let's see what happens. Now it's time for the toys. So after having a good ride on the merry-go-round, the children, they move towards the toy shop. There is a row of stalls selling toys. So which kind of toys were there? Milkmaids, kings, ministers, water carriers, washerwomen and holy men. So these were the kind of toys, okay? Small miniature toys resembling the kings, the ministers, the one who carry the water carriers and washerwomen, and some holy men. All these small toys were made of clay, and after seeing this, the boy Mahmood says, "Splendid." Splendid means wonderful. And he buys a policeman in khaki. So in a uniform with a gun, Mahmood buys a policeman, and Mohsin also buys a water carrier. Okay, the small miniature toy resembling a water carrier. Mohsin buys that. But still, Hamid does not spend his money. Let's see for what he is saving his money for. Each toy costs 2 paise. So the toys were costing 2 paise and the ride was costing 1 paise. He could have easily bought 1 toy also and taken 1 ride in the fair also. But he did not spend on the toys also. Hamid had only 3 paise and not enough for expensive toys. So children, what is expensive? Something which costs a lot of money. And if a drop of water fell on them, the paint would run. So Hamid very nicely and clearly knew that if even 1 drop of water falls on these toys, they would become of no use. So toys like these would be of no use to him. So he controls his temptation of not giving in to the toys, not giving into any kind of ride in the fair. Mohsin says, "My water carrier will sprinkle water every day." Mahmood says, "My policeman will guard my house. If a thief comes, he will shoot him." So they are all imagining that how will the water carrier help and what will the policeman toy do. And so both the friends are discussing, but Hamid is in no mood to buy the toy also. Hamid knows that toys are made of clay and 1 fall will break it, but he wishes he could hold them. So he knew very clearly that it's made up of a soft clay, and if it falls down, it will break into pieces. But still, as a child, he feels that if he could hold them in his hands. So after the toys, it was the time for the sweets. Now they go to a sweet shop. Some buy sesame candy. So obviously, candy means kind of, bars or chocolates. But sesame in Hindi, if you know, it is til. So it was a kind of bar or candy that was made up of til or sesame. And others had some gulab jamuns. They munch happily. Munch means eat something by making sound. When we eat something crunchy, so what happens is when we eat like chips, things like that, we make sound while eating. So that is munching. Only Hamid is left out. So he did not buy the toys, he did not buy the sweets, he did not go for the ride. Next, there are a few hardware stores. So hardware stores means there we get things made up of metals. Okay, that is a hardware shop. So Hamid stops by a pile of tongs. So pile is something, a heap of things that are arranged one on the top of other. So if you know, children, while your mother makes chapatis, she uses a pair of tongs to roast the chapati. So that is a tong, which we call in Hindi chimta, right? Each time Granny bakes chapatis, the iron plate burns her hand. So what does Hamid think? That whenever Granny Amina makes chapatis or rotis, the iron plate, that is a gas stove or burner, it burns her hand. So now, children, you understand why he has not bought the toys, why he has not bought the sweets, and why he has not gone for any ride in the fair? Because he wanted to buy the pair of tongs for roasting the chapatis, because he does not want her grandma Amina to burn her hands while making the chapatis. Thank you, children.